of you here today, I grew up in a tiny, tiny little town. You know, the main street of small businesses, sandwiched between industrial mills and vast farmlands. But eventually, I was drawn to the energy and the diversity of major cities. So now I call the largest city in the US, New York City, the Big Apple, my home. And today, half of the world's 7.5 billion people live in urban areas. And by 2050, that number is going to skyrocket to 70%. Think about that, 70%. And with this massive growth, it's going to come some unique opportunities, but also some challenges. How do we design buildings with intelligent systems that are going to cater to these needs? And how do we move millions and millions of people to work every day? And how are we going to foster communities in these vast and very diverse populations? We are fortunate to live at a time where innovation can help us address these challenges, where we can integrate smart devices, platforms, and data to create truly smart cities. And new innovations have already begun to transform buildings, transportation, and our communities. So first, let's talk about the building blocks of our connected city. Because in the smart city, buildings, they're no longer static. Instead, they anticipate and adjust to your needs. They're essentially responsive and dynamic. And these smart buildings are often much greener as well, because they're designed with sustainability in mind. They can intelligently manage energy use and rely on clean energy sources, doing much, much more while producing lower emissions. And this is just the beginning. Because today's smart building, they operate kind of like your brain, with a central nervous system that keeps everything humming along without anyone noticing anything. So think about it, a burst pipe, that no longer has to disrupt our lives, because sensors will detect leaks instantly and fixes happen faster with enhanced real-time data and predictive analytics. Means the smart building will alert management before something even happens. And we've partnered with Greystar, a local global developer, to design buildings with these smart systems built in from the ground up. These buildings leverage Samsung smart appliances and SmartThings IoT platform to create truly connected convenience. So let's hear a little bit